Hi, I'm Josh from PitchMonster. Most sales teams have one big problem. Their reps don't practice before they talk to real buyers, and they learn by losing deals. And for a business, that costs money. PitchMonster fixes this. You drop in a company URL, and the AI builds a real buyer for your reps to practice with. So your sales reps will be able to practice before they go in on a live call. Today I'm going to show you how PitchMonster helps me set up a call with HubSpot, take a cold call, and then an AI coach grades the call. Okay, so this is the PitchMonster dashboard. I click Add New Roleplay. First step is, what is your team practicing? In my case, it's going to be a cold call for the head of sales at HubSpot. And then you can pick the format, whether it's phone, face-to-face with an avatar, or a screen share for demos, for your sales calls. So I'm going to choose phone conversation, click next. For the guidelines, you can choose something simple. Open in 30 seconds and push for a discovery call. That's the main guideline. Here, you don't have to touch anything, but if you want, you can change the voice, you can change the duration, and you click Create Roleplay. Now the fun part, the scenario. You click on Add Scenario, and you click on Add Company URL. Okay, this is the part where you put information about your product, about your service that you're trying to sell. So in my case, it's going to be PitchMonster, and I'm going to put that I want to master responding to a send email objection. So I click Generate New Roleplay, and that's where the AI of PitchMonster comes into play and it will generate the entire ICP. Okay, so here we have a buyer persona already pre-made, but we're going to put in HubSpot here as the name, and we're going to put in the link of HubSpot for the company link. So this is where we pretty much build out the buyer persona. You can set the difficulty level, hard, insane. I'm going to choose medium just to keep it simple. The conversation setup. The good news is PitchMonster already pre-built the entire persona using best practices. So it knows a lot of information about what the perfect persona is for the company that you've entered. Now you can definitely change this depending on what the context you have. You can change the conversation steps, add objections. Super quick. Took us less than a minute. We have our role play setup, scenario setup. Okay, now I already have a scorecard set up here, which you can do it using one of our templates or your own scorecard. Okay, so now that the role play is set up, this is what your sales representative will see. So I click on start recording. Here we go. The call is going.
Hey, this is David. Who's calling?
Hi, David. This is Josh from PitchMonster. Listen, it's a random call. Can you give me 30 seconds? I'll tell you why, and then you can hang up.
All right, Josh, you've got 30 seconds. What's this about?
Okay, thank you. Most sales role plays, they sound like robots. PitchMonster, on the other hand, pulls from real calls and Gong recordings. I know you use Gong. So your reps can practice the conversations before they lose those deals. Is that worth 50 seconds to show you more?
I get the idea, but we already have Gong, and I'm not sure adding another tool helps. How's this really different from what we're doing now?
Fair enough. I did my research. I know you guys are using Gong. So Gong actually records what already happened. But the practice layer is what we provide. So what does the ramp time right now look for your reps, for your new sales reps right now?
Ramp up is okay, but the real issue is when reps hit that just send me an email wall. They freeze or just agree, and then we never hear back. It's frustrating. We need something that helps them push through that without sounding pushy.
I got you. Here, I'm going to send you a 90-second video clip showing you the real role play from PitchMonster, and you can check it out. And if that's interesting, we can book a 50-minute discovery call, and I'll show you how HubSpot can benefit from this. How does that sound?
Honestly, just send me an email with that video.
Right.
I'm swamped right now,
okay.
And I can take a look when I get a chance. Okay. No need to lock in a call yet.
Okay, I'm going to end that right there. That's not the best call, but I did choose a medium difficulty. I should turn it up a notch, but you get the idea. I did get some objections. I got some pushback, and that really allowed me to, on the spot, know what to say. So I feel like I could have done better, to be honest. This is where the call ends, and you should now get a scorecard and an AI coach that will grade you and tell you what you did wrong, what you could have done better. Yeah, for this video, I'm not going to focus on the AI coach. Okay, as you can see, this is the scorecard. This is the most important part. You actually see where your sales reps went sideways, what they could have done better, what the pain point is, right? What the pain statement, the impact, all those things. You can get insights. Here you can see the pace. You can see the filler words. You can see how many questions were asked. You can see the talk ratio. As you can see, the score is super low for me. Out of 100, it's 24. So I have a lot of room for improvement. The good thing is I know what I can improve now thanks to the scorecard here. So I can see what I should do instead. I have PitchMonster actually recommending, okay, in this situation, what I should ask, what I should do. It gives me an example. And then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and click record again. Boom. And you practice, and you practice, and you practice. So that's PitchMonster. And the setup takes minutes. You drop a URL. The AI builds the ICP for you. It builds out all the scenarios. The call feels real. It has pauses. It has pushback. And your sales reps, they can see their weak spots before the real prospect actually does, right? So that's PitchMonster. You will find the link in the description. I want you to open it. I want you to try yourself. I want you to book a demo. And then there's more videos coming. My name is Josh. Stay tuned. Thank you for your time.